Hello, we are the Backhome Hotel, and I'm the rooms department manager. I'll also talk about some facilities.
I'm the FB manager.
I'm Human Resource Manager Yue Shen.
I'm marketing and advertising, so I'm Catherine.
So here is the room rate we set for Q1 and Q2. The Q1 room rate is 155, is quite high, and the reason for that is I thought there will be a positive correlation between occupancy percentage and EMS, the system, which is like green initiative. But so we installed all the EMS to level 2, which cost us a huge amount of money. But it turns out the occupancy percentage is not really high. It's only 31.86 for the first quarter. So we did a adjustment based on Q1's result. We changed the room rate from 155 and 140 to 135 for Q2's room rate. And here is the actual room rate we got for the first 2 quarters as well as last year's last quarter. The number is not very promising. It's only it's like a going down trend, but you can see the revenue we made is it's going better. It's the income after tax is negative, but the negative value is going little, so we are doing a little bit better than the first quarter. And here is a part for revenue per available room and the average daily rate. The average daily rate was going down by $10 per room, and the revenue per available room is going up almost $10. That is a really big amount of money. The reason the room we set for Q2 is 135. The reason for that is because we installed a lot of facilities. So we installed room minibar and business service as well as hotel shop. So and for the guest comfort, we all move up to level 3, both entertainment and complimentary items. So you can see the transit guest number is going up, steadily going up. It means the room value is added. So the last part is group rate. We are the highest charge for group rate. It's $90, and the sales for group number is only 50 for weekday and 37 for weekend. That's very low. So for the Q3, we'll lower the group price a little bit. So Cindy is gonna talk about room food and beverage department.
So, for food and beverage department, for the target market, our hotel target market is the general business people, tourism, and students. The menu type we choose from Q1 to Q2, we get the change from type 3 to type 4. You can see on the PPT, the picture shows for us, for that part. annual price we got 26.99, change to 24.99. So for advertising before we had 500 for ratio. Right now we change for 600 right now. The current year we got 108,401. For last year we got 62,579. For last year we get lower than Q1 and Q2. We got F&B sales for 51.7%. For average check, weekend is 1,243. For weekend is 1,029. So for the next one.
For the human resource department, I think first one I want to talk about the staff certification. We can see the first quarter, the rate is very low, just 61%. And during the second quarter, we created the new hotel shop and the leisure club, and also the in-room minibar. So we're gonna have hire more employees, and so we can say the Q2, because we also changed the payment for the employee. So the Q2 staff certification increased a lot. The number shows like 83%. And although for the weekly training expense, we increased a little bit from 7.32 to $17. Because of the little change, we can see the staff are quite well organized now. Also, we're looking for the staff turnover, and the first 4 columns shows for the last year, and last 2 shows the Q1 and Q2. Because as you see, the first column is such high, it's always almost around 100%. So we try to make employee more happy and decrease the turnover rate to keep the employee in our hotel. Yeah. Next one.
Thanks. Let me go through for the marketing and advertising part. So you can see I just compare for the Q1 and Q2. And first one product I choose for the weekday room, and advertising medium I choose for the business price. But weekly expenditure is $80. Another second one is product is weekend room. Another advertising medium is Sunday newspaper. And weekly expenditure is $80 too. But that one both for the Q1 and Q2. I didn't change it. The third one is product is meal. Advertising medium is a local radio, and the expenditure is Q1 is 500, so Q2 I gonna be changed for the 600. But that one I have 2 mistakes for the both one. And Q1 I just defined for the $80 is very low price because I didn't check for the user guide. I didn't find the useful information, so that's why I just defined for this price. Another second one, Q2, so I just enter for the Sunday newspaper. So that one is big mistake for that part. So I just want same for the business price. but I just say for the wrong information. So that's why I choose for that one. So maybe I'm gonna be changed for the next quarter. And additional part is the PR agency. So I just check is for the market research. I just find the useful information about for useful weekday and weekend and room and meal and conference. Another one is the social media page, include the weekday, weekend room and conference too. And last one about search engine optimization. I just defined for the $200. So this part I will show about for the market image edict and the public awareness edict. So I just compare for last year and this year, include quarter 1 and quarter 2. You can see for the blue line, the insight for the public awareness edict for this year. And yellow line about for the last year. You can see compare one, but this year just for the increase for this flight, and last year is very low. Another two line is market image last year and this year. And that one is room revenue and food and beverage revenue compare. The same for the last year and this year. So you can see for the four line, so the yellow line, the inside for the food and beverage revenue last year, and the blue line, the inside for the this year for the food and beverage revenue too. And that one is for the numbers compare. And that one is the quarter 3. So I just want gonna be changed for weekday and weekday room. I just changed for the price is $17. Before I just remember for the $80 very low price. Another one I choose for the local newspaper, and the meal I just decide for the $5,500, and the local visitor guide I just choose for the $500. That one is additional information. I just want to add website design, online advertising. Another one is a PR agency and social media. And last one is the same. Okay, that's it. Thank you for everyone.